Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Previous 3 or 4 videos we discussed the addition, subtraction, multiply and division. But today I discuss the division. In case of the arithmetic, you know all the division process. Suppose here 12 by 4, right? That means 12 divided by 4. This is 3. Or 42 divided by 2. So this is 42 by 2. This is 20. Okay. So this is actually the division in the arithmetic. But in case of algebra, the division is certain difference because the two parts are there. One is called the literal part. One is called the numerical part. Suppose here 12x x square divided by 2x. Here is two part. One is called the numerical part, this, and one is called the literal part. So you divide two part. So first one here you part this 2 and this 6, and here x square, that means actually x into x divided by x, cut off this. So ultimately this is x. So ultimate answer is 6x. This is the way we divide in case of the algebra. So one concept is there, is called the exponential concept. Suppose in case of the discussion of the division, first you idea about the exponents here. Suppose x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 2. Actually what do you mean by x to the power 5? X to the power 5 means actually x into x 5 times. This into this. This is called x to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is x square means x into x. So you cut off this. What is the left part? এখানে কটা লাস্টে আছে? 3টে. x. So x to the power 3. Okay. But each and every time you don't do this in this way. The exponential formula is there. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. When base same, base, this called the base. Base same, power will be subtracted. যখন বেসটা সেম থাকবে এইটা, তখন পাওয়ারটা সাবস্ট্রাক্ট, দ্যাট মিন্স a to the power m minus n. এইটা হয়ে যাবে ফর্মুলা. ওকে, সো হিয়ার ইজ অলসো সাপোজ x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 2. That means base are same, power will be subtracted. So x to the power 5 minus 2, that is x to the power 3. এটাই এখানে এসছে এইভাবে. So এই একটু বেসিক নলেজ, you have to idea about the basic knowledge of this. Nothing on it. This is a very important thing. Just you discuss. Now if this is okay, so division is very okay to you. One thing, now the example of the division. Suppose here is minus 24 divide one sum. Here is minus 24 x square y cube z5. X square y cube z5. Divide this by this 6x y to the power 5 and z to the power 4. Okay, so divide this. Very easy. Don't to be panic. জিনিসটা ভালো করে বোঝো আমি কিভাবে শেখাচ্ছি. ডিভিশন ইজ ভেরি ইজি. ইন কেস অফ এরিথমেটিক, তোমরা এরিথমেটিকও এগুলো করেছো, তো এটা তো ভেরি ইজি. জাস্ট ইউ ডিভাইড দিস. দ্যাট মিন্স ইউ জাস্ট রাইট 24 x square y 3 z to the power 5, and here is division sign, so divide 6 x y to the power 5 and z to the power 4. Okay, now in case of multiply, you know the rule of multiplication: plus minus 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 plus 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 and minus plus minus. Here is also minus plus minus plus minus. Ultimate answer, the answer is sign is minus. Now 6 and 4. 4, 4. 4, 6, 24. 4. Okay, no problem. Here is x to the power 2. That means x square. X is 2 times. Here is x is 1. এখানে দুটো আছে, এখানে একটা আছে। So now this is x only, 1x. এখানে y তিনটে আছে। y to the power 3 means 3y. 3y into y into y. And here is y to the power 5. So এখানে বেশি। So this is y square. The answer is নিচে। Okay? So this is down part, y square. And this is z to the power 5. And this is নিচে z to the power 4. That means এখানে 5 times z into z into z and there is 4. So here is cut off, this is z. So this is the answer. This is the answer, minus 4xz by y square. Very important this. This is q, this is 5. So this is the down part. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So this is the denominator part. Okay. Very easy. Just to formulate in this way. Okay. Now the next sum. Division is very easy. Just to concept must be clear. Concept must be clear. No problem at all. Don't to be panic. Don't to be panic. Okay. Now the other sum is, here is 30x cube y. Here is 30x cube, other sum y square, one sum, minus 20xy cube, xy cube, y cube, plus 12xy, 12xy, minus 13y. Okay. Now is divided by, divide this by minus 5xy. Minus 5xy. No problem. This total divided by this. Okay. So write 30x cube y square. No problem. Minus 20xy cube. No problem. Plus 12. আমি কিভাবে করছি এটা খেয়াল রাখো। Okay. Now minus 13y. So divided by means this, minus 5xy. Okay. In case of algebra. Now that means this divided by this, separately this divided by this, separately this divided by this, and separately this divided by this. This is the basic thing. Okay. So just separate this. So this is 30, here is plus, so no sign, there is plus. So this is 30x cube y square. Don't to be panic. Divided by minus 5xy. No problem. Clear? Here is minus 20xy cube and here is minus 5xy. No problem. Just to separate the terms. Okay. Here is plus 12xy by minus 5xy. No problem. And here is minus 13y divided minus 5xy. You separate all the terms. You separate all the terms. Now you divide this. Here is no sign, that means plus. So plus minus minus. Okay. 13 to 5, that is 6. 6. Here is x is 3. Here is x is 1. So 3 minus 1. This is the x is 1 in the lower part and this is 3. এখানে তিনটে আছে, এখানে একটা আছে। তো একটা দেয়া তাহলে x স্কয়ার। এখানে দুটো থাকবে, এটা কেটে দিলে 2x স্কয়ার। ওকে। কারণ এখানে তিনটে আছে, একটা দিয়ে ডিভাইড করছি। সো ইন কেস অফ দ্য বেস আর সেম, the power will be subtracted. Actually 3 minus x to the power 3 by x. Here is this part. That means actually x to the power 3 minus 1. So x square. Here is the 1. Clear? X to the power 3 and x. X to the power 3 and x. X means x to the power minus 1. X to the power 1. So in case of division, power will be subtracted. X to the power 3 minus 1 x square. Here is y square, here is y. So this is y square by y. What is the meaning? Actually, when there is no power, that is 1, base are same, power will be subtracted, y to the power minus 1. In case of division, always minus. So here is y. Clear? 2 minus 1, 1, so y. Here is 1 means 1. Okay? In this case, minus minus plus. So this is 4, no problem in arithmetic. Here is x, cut off, no problem. Here is 3, here is 2, that means y to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1, you don't write actually you write 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, this is 3, this is 2, so y to the power. Okay, no problem. Clear? Just you gradually increase. Plus minus minus. Here is 12 by 5, so this is not divide, so 12 by 5. This is xy, this is xy, this is xy. Clear? Now, this is minus minus plus, so this is 13 by 5. Okay? And here is y and here is cut. But the x is the down part, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Lower part. So here is 5x. So this is the answer. Clear? No problem at all. Don't to be panic. Clear? 30x cube and a lower part is x. That means divide. So x cube by x, cube by x, there is 1. So in case of division, power will be subtracted. So 3 minus 1, eta 3, eta 1. কমে যাবে, এটা তিনটে আছে। Actually this means क्या? This means x to the power cube means কি? x into x into x. This is x to the power 3 and this is x. So 1x is cut, so x into x square. Clear? So in this way you solve the sum. Okay? Now the other sum. Just I রাবি এইভাবে তোমরা সাবট্রাকশনটা করবে, ডিভিশনটা করবে, কোনো প্রবলেম হবে। বেসিক মাস্ট বি ক্লিয়ার, বেসিক মাস্ট বি ক্লিয়ার, কোনো প্রবলেম হবে। জিনিসটা প্রথমে যদি ভালো করে শিখে নাও তাহলে তোমাদের পরে কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না। ক্লিয়ার? সো দিস ইজ দ্য ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। ওকে, নাও দ্য আদার প্যাটার্ন অফ সাম, নাও দ্য আদার প্যাটার্ন অফ সাম, where is? Okay, 1 minute. Now I just copy the sum. Divide x's cube, divide x's cube, 6x's cube, 6x's cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5 by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. 2x minus. Divide 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 3. In this case, এটা কিন্তু is not solved by the previous way. You just divide the normal division process. Suppose here is 13. You just divide 3. 3 4s are 12. 1. So this is the quotient, ভাগফল, এটা ভাগশেষ। In this way you solve it. If there is more than one term in the division, এটা যদি সিঙ্গেল থাকতো, if this is this divided by 2x, so I just solve it the previous way. But if this is the two terms, 3x minus 3, 2x minus 3, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা ওইভাবে করতে পারবো। So in this way we just solve in this way. So here is 2x minus 3, solve in this way. 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. Divide just in this way. Okay, divide in this way. But one thing is very important here in case of division, the very interesting thing. You just divide this. So what number? 2x minus 3. You just multiply 2x minus 3. In this way, this 6x cube is there. 6x, that means here is always 6x cube, because the first term you cut off and the sign here is plus, here is also plus. So in which way 2x minus 3 multiply to get 6x cube plus, so plus 3x square. বারবার বোঝার চেষ্টা করো এই জিনিসটা কি। এই ডিভিশনটা করতে গেলে এই যে 2x minus 3 এটা আছে, এটাকে ডিভিশন করতে গেলে ফার্স্ট এটা খেয়াল রাখতে হবে, এখানে 6x কিউব আছে। সো 2x minus 3 টাকে এমন ভাবে তুমি মাল্টিপ্লাই করো যাতে এখানে আনসারটা দেখো 3 2 যা 6x কিউব আসছে। এটা কি আসছে জানার দরকার নেই, বাট এটা যেন সেম থাকে, ইজ ওকে, দিস মাস্ট বি সেম, দিস ইজ দ্য ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট রুল ইন কেস অফ দিস টাইপ অফ ডিভিশন। ওকে, 2x minus 3, very important thing is this, এটা be careful, এটাকে ভালো করে খেয়াল করো, 2x minus 3, so divide this by 2x minus 3, তো এখানে plus 6x cube আছে, so for that reason 2x minus 3, in which way you multiply, in which number you get always plus 6x cube, this must be invariant, এটা কি আসছে জানার দরকার, so here is 3 to the 6x cube plus minus minus 3 3s are 9x square, you just write 6x cube minus 9x square, this is very important, and here is the quotient 3x square, this is very important, এই জায়গাটাকে বোঝার চেষ্টা করো, in case of division 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5 divided by this, clear? So first target is 2x minus 3, you multiply in which way you get always plus 6x cube, first term টা যেন আসে, this is the first term, এটা যেন same হয়, sign also same, number and this x part is also same, literal part also same, all are same, first part, this is not equal to this, that may be invariable, but this part is very important, এইটা যেন 6x cube আছে, এটাও যেন 6x plus 6x আসছে, এইটা যেন মাল্টিপ্লাই করে আসে, এটা তোমায় খেয়াল রাখতে হবে, ফর দ্যাট রিজন 2x minus 3 you multiply because 6x cube is coming, so 3 to the 6x cube, 3 to the 6x cube plus minus minus 3 3 9, এটা বসে দেবে, এটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট টার্গেট, ইন কেস অফ ডিভিশন দ্য প্রসেস ইজ দিস, নাও দ্য সাবস্ট্রাকশন, সাবস্ট্রাকশন মিন্স সাইন চেঞ্জ, মাইনাস প্লাস, এটা প্লাস মাইনাস, সাইন চেঞ্জ, সাবস্ট্রাকশন, here is also subtraction, subtraction, so on, so this same process follow here, clear? Clear? Now the same thing and the subtraction, that means the opposite sign is cut off, this part is 0, now what is the sign of 9x square, not minus plus, this is very important in case of this, this is very important, what is the sign of 9x square, not minus plus, clear? Now the opposite sign, subtraction, now the opposite sign, subtraction, so 11 is greater, this sign is there, and 11 minus 9 2x square, then you down this 7x, this is the first way, very important thing, this is very important, এইখানটা তোমরা ভালো করে শেখো, ডিভিশনের এই জায়গাটা, এইখানটা করতে গেলে আমি আবার রিপিট করছি, 2x minus 3, হঠাৎ করে আমি 3x স্কয়ার দিয়ে গুণ করলাম কেন, why not 2x square, why not 4x square, why? Because if you just multiply 2x into 3x square, you get 6x cube, and this plus 6x cube is same as this, for that reason if you just subtract this, you cut, so this part is ultimate 0, this is your target, এটাই তোমার টার্গেট, ফার্স্ট পার্টটাকে 0 করা, here is the same process follow, here is minus 2x square, so first you write here is minus 2x square, and now 2x minus 3, 2x, তাহলে this part এটাকে in which way you multiply, you get minus 2x square, just minus x, just minus, plus minus minus 2x square, you get it 2x square, now this is invariant, minus minus plus 3x, so you write same sign, minus 2x square, and this is plus 3x, okay? Okay, so what is the question? This is minus x, minus x plus minus minus, target is coming minus 2x square, not sign also same, because you subtract, next line you subtract, this is plus, this is minus, then you cut, this part is 0, here is this part is 0, this is your target, এইটা তোমার টার্গেট, এই পার্টটাকে ফার্স্ট টার্মটাকে 0 করা, here is also this, okay? So this is plus minus minus 2, minus minus plus 3, so now what is the sign of 3x now, not plus, this is minus, what is the sign of 3x, not plus, minus is sign, So opposite sign here, sub here is greater 7, so plus 7 4 4x, and this is 5. You got it, 5. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now what is your target? You are coming here the plus 4x. So now multiply 2x minus 3. Target is plus 4x. So plus 2, you just multiply 2 to the plus 2 to the 4x plus minus 3 to the 6. You write plus 4x minus 6. Sign change, always sign change, minus it a plus. So this is cut. What is this? Plus 2. And this same sign 11, plus 11. Okay. So what is the ultimate answer? Ultimate answer is the quotient is 3x square minus x plus 2, and the quotient and the remainder is this. Okay. So this is very important. এই জিনিসটাকে ভালো করে শেখো. This is the very important by division process. What is the way? এইটাকে ভালো করে মাথায় রাখো. এইখানে ফার্স্ট এইটাকে সেম আনতে হবে, তার জন্য এটা করি, তার জন্য যেটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করার করব। আবার যখন এটা আসবে তখন এইটাকে সেম করে 0 করব, তার জন্য যেটা মাল্টিপ্লাই করার করব আবার এটার জন্য। and always a subtraction sign. and here is what is the sign of 9x square, not minus, plus. what is the sign of 3x, not plus, minus. what is the sign of 6, not minus, not plus. and this is the same sign addition. Here is the opposite sign subtraction. So in this way we just gradually increase in case of division. Okay. Now on is the next sum. Arekta dekhai. Okay. So this is very important in case of division. Division, just you know the process simply. If you understand the process one time, so this is very easier to you to solve. না হলে কিন্তু each and every এই যদি প্রসেস গুলো যদি ভুলে যাও তো আমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সটা বা আনসারটা আসবে না। ওকে, ফর দ্যাট রিজন। ওকে, নাও দ্য আদার সাম ইজ ডিভাইড, is a long sum. Divide 3x to the power 5. 3x to the power 5 plus 7x to the power 4, x to the power 4, x to the power 4 minus 11x cube, 11x cube plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5, and this divided by 2 plus 3x, 2 plus 3x plus x square. Okay, so what is the sum? Sum is 3x to the power 5 plus 7x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5 divided by 2 plus 3x plus x square. Okay, clear? Okay, so actually in just you ascending descending power mein you just arrange in descending power. Here is descending power 5 4 3 2 1 0. So here is you kind of division, you just write in the descending power. Here is 2 plus 3x plus x square, but you write here x square first, then 3x plus 2, because descending, this power is 2, this is 1, this is 0. Here is also descending in power, so 3x is to the power 5 plus 7x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5. Okay, clear? যখন এরম থাকবে তোমরা কিন্তু এইটাকে এইভাবে সাজিয়ে নেবে। So is a descending in power, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. Here is also descending power, যে অর্ডারে আছে the order must be same, is a descending power. পাওয়ারটা আস্তে আস্তে কমছে 5 4 3 2 1 0 here is 2 1 0 so descending power you arrange this now same problem follow same process is follow actually same process what is your target plus 3x to the power 5 here this is plus so here is this plus 3x to the power 5 this is your first target so in which way you just multiply here x square plus 3x no problem very easy plus 2 so target is plus 3x to the power 5 so this is plus 3x to the power 3 then you multiply 3 plus 3 2 and this 3 in case of multiply you know power will be added in case of division power will be subtracted in case of multiply power will be added so this is 3 this is 2 5x to the power 5 is coming here is coming now what is the left this is plus 3 3s are 9 x to the power 4 and this is 3 2 is 6 x to the power cube you write 3x to the power 5 plus 9x to the power 4 just in order same like term in just down the like term plus if not use outside you write ঠিক লাইক টার্মের নিচে লাইক টার্মটা লিখবে x4 x4 x3 x3 okay now what is the process here is the coefficient is 3x cube okay now the next stage subtraction sign change plus minus this plus minus this plus minus then the cut off this part is 0 this is your first target this is your এটাই তোমার ফার্স্ট টার্গেট এইটাকে কেটে দাও okay now the simplify process what is the sign of 9x to the power 4 not plus the sign is minus 9x to the power 4 এর সাইনটা এখন কি প্লাস নয় মাইনাস so now the opposite sign sub এটা বড় তো এর সাইনটা বসাও মাইনাস sub means 9 আর 7 2x to the power 4 okay here is what is the sign of x 6x to the power cube plus নয় মাইনাস সাইন এর সাইনটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে মাইনাস সাইন সেম সাইন অ্যাডিশন 11 আর 6 17 x to the power cube এবার এইটাকে একটা নামাও প্লাস 8x স্কয়ার এটা প্লাস আছে প্লাস 8x স্কয়ার ওকে নো প্রবলেম গ্র্যাজুয়ালি ইউ ইনক্রিজ ডোন্ট টু বি হ্যারি তাড়াতাড়ি করবেন একটা জিনিস তাড়াতাড়ি করতে গেলে ভুল হয়ে যাবে একবারই করবে ভালোভাবে করবে ম্যাথসের জিনিসটা কি জানো একটা জায়গায় যদি ভুল হয়ে যায় টোটাল ম্যাথসটাই ভুল হয়ে যাবে ওই জন্য খুব মাইনিউটলি করবে নাও হোয়াট ইজ ইউর টার্গেট টার্গেট ইজ মাইনাস 2x to the power 4 এইটা সেভ করা তো নাও রাইট x স্কয়ার প্লাস 3x plus 2 what is your target minus 2x to the power 4 so multiply it with 2x square you get plus minus you get 2x to the power 4 2x to the power 4 you get plus minus 3 to the 6 x cube plus minus 2 to the 4x square okay so what is the minus 2x square you write here minus 2x square okay you write already you write minus 2x to the power 4 here is minus 6x cube here is minus 4x square your target is now sign change minus plus okay minus 2x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 4 cut this part is 0 no problem okay now what is the sign of 6x cube not minus plus so opposite sign and 17 is get us so minus sign 17 to 11x cube this is the same sign এটা সেম সাইন হয়ে গেছে 4x স্কয়ার সাইন মাইনাস নয় প্লাস 4x স্কয়ার সাইন এখন মাইনাস নয় প্লাস so what is the sign of 4x square now plus so same sign addition plus 8 4 12 12x to the square okay এবার এটাকে নামাও, এটা কি -32x। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? এটাকে পুছে দাও। ডোন্ট টু বি হ্যারি, আচ্ছা একবারই করবে, ঠিক করে করবে। ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার? নাও হোয়াট ইজ দ্য টার্গেট? মাইনাস, এটাকে কাটতে হবে, এটাকে কাটতে হবে, সো রাইট -11x³ টার্গেট। সো হোয়াট ইজ দিস? x², আবার এক জিনিস x² প্লাস 3x প্লাস 2। হোয়াট ইজ ইউর টার্গেট to multiply to get this -11x³? Here is -11x, you just multiply this. So plus minus minus plus minus minus minus, this is 11x³ plus minus minus 11 into 3 33x², and plus minus minus 11 into 2 22x. Okay, so what is it? This is the -11x. So right, already you write -11x². Now this -33x² minus 22x. Sign change. Minus plus minus plus minus plus. So this is plus, this is minus, so this part is 0. Clear? Same sign, এটা same sign হয়ে গেছে addition, তাহলে 3 × 5 45x², and this is opposite sign, so this is minus, this is greater, -22 10x, and what is the last ultimate? +5. So here is +5. Okay, টার্গেট ইজ ফুলফিলড। এটাকে পুছে দাও। যদি রিমাইন্ডার থাকে থাকবে, ইফ দেয়ার ইজ আ রিমাইন্ডার ওকে, রিমাইন্ডার থাকবে, ইজ ওকে। নাও so what is the target now? This is plus 45x². So you write here plus 45x² your target. So here is x² plus 3x plus 2. What is your target? To multiply plus 45x². x² is already there, so you multiply with plus, multiply with 45. So here is plus 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 45x². This is 45 into 3 3 5 135x, and this is 45 into 90. Clear? So this is plus 45x² plus 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 43 5 90. Okay, so write plus 135x plus 90. Sign change, plus is minus, plus is minus, plus is minus. This part is cut 0. This part is cut 0. Same sign, addition. So this is minus 145x. This is minus also because of this is plus is minus 85. And here is the sign plus 45. This is the answer. Clear? 3x³ minus 2x² minus 11x plus 45 is the quotient, and minus 145x and minus 85 is the answer. Okay, that is the way to solve it. So what is the answer now? Ultimately you write quotient 3x cube minus 2x square minus 11x plus 45, and the remainder is minus 145x minus 85. This is minus 145x. Clear? So this is the answer. Okay. Clear? So this is the way of solving the division in case of algebra. Okay. So if you understand this, I try to better to solve the sum. If you understand this, please like the channel, share the channel. Thank you student. Thank you.